Hi, my name is Alexus Alston, and today is March 15th, and the class is P271, Using Technology in Physical Education. Today I'll be informing you on how to use the Nike Training Club app when teaching your athletes how to work out at home. This can be used from a coach's perspective or as a physical education teacher. The Nike Training Club app is basically a personal trainer on the go. It is free on the App Store and is fully loaded with 100 plus workouts and video and audio from experts to help guide you along through every activity. Suppose you are a coach and you do not have time to create a conditioning workout for your athlete. You have the tools at your hand to give them a workout with the Nike Training Club app. What you can do is ask your athletes to download it and condition it over breaks, whether it's spring break or winter break, whenever you can't meet with your athletes every day because they may be on vacation. The athletes have the opportunity to even do 15-minute workouts that are available so that they can get their workout in while they are busy at home. Not only that, but if you are out of town for competition and have no tools to work out, there are workouts that do not use equipment that are available on the Nike Training Club app. Now for the steps to sign up for the app. First, you will search and install the Nike Training Club app on the App Store to your phone. Next, you will open the app and press Join to create an account. After that, you will fill in all your information and press Create Account. Users also have the option to register through their Facebook account so that all their social media users can see how their workouts are going. After creating your account, you will then be brought to this screen. You will press Get Started and get ready to use the app. The Nike Training Club app has specific features that will be tailored to you as an athlete. So, what you have to do is select the gender of the user, whether it's male or female. More than likely, on this step, athletes will have 5+ workouts a week as their option, and they are ready for anything. However, if you are a beginner and you are using this for physical education classes for kids that are not very active, you can click 2 to 4 workouts a week where you are a regular, or 0 to 1 workouts a week where you're a little rusty. These will modify the workouts to where they best fit you. After completing all of these steps, you will then be brought to the home page. It has 3 tabs. One is labeled For You, where Nike personalizes its top picks of workouts for you and has their new workouts on there. The second is labeled Workouts, pre-made up workouts that you can choose from. And lastly, there is the My Plan, where you can create your own plan of workouts that you want to get done, whether it's a month long or maybe a couple weeks long. After picking a workout that best suits you or the athlete, you will then follow the step-by-step instructions to begin the workout. These step-by-step instructions will guide you through the workout and talk you through every step. They will also show picture or video examples of how you're supposed to be completing the workout. Here you will see examples of the app being in use. On the left-hand side, you will see an athlete shown where she is doing the workout. This is a picture of what workout you should be doing, and there is a time clock counting down on how long you should be doing the workout. In the middle is the page that you will see whenever you open a workout. It shows how many participants are doing this throughout the Nike Club app and who created the workout. It also shows how long it takes to complete the workout, which for this one it is 7 days. If you click on the workout, you will then be able to see what activities are included in the workout and how long you have to do them. So that is under the Review tab within the workout. When doing all of these workouts, there are step-by-step instructions and either a picture or video to help guide you through. Throughout my presentation, I got all of my information off of the description from the App Store or from personal experiences. Not only that, but I also use the Nike Training Club website that is found online whenever you Google it. I highly recommend the Nike Training Club app to use in physical education classes for creating athletes' workouts. And not only that, as a coach, to give athletes workouts over break or whenever you are on a long trip.